Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix My Sky app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen. After that, click on settings. Now scroll down and go to app section. And now click on manage apps. In the search bar, type My Sky. Now here you will see a app permission option. Click on it. After that you will see all the necessary permission required for your My Sky app. If you see any permission is not allowed, then you have to allow that permission because it is necessary for your My Sky app to work properly. After applying all the necessary permission, you have to go to home screen and open your My Sky app, and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to just close the My Sky app completely and then reopen it, and hopefully your app will be working correctly after that. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.